In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Hikvision embedded NVR. The series is DS-7600 and here are some of the features of this NVR. Let's take the model number of this NVR. Here you can see the model number DS-7608NI-Q1. Here you can see that the price mentioned on the box is 9,600, but you can get this NVR below 5,500. Let's open the seal. Here is the NVR. Inside the box we get some accessories. We get a LAN cable inside the box. Here is the LAN cable and here is the user manual. And here are some cables which you get inside the box. And also you will receive a small mouse. And here is the adapter. And you will get some screws. This is how the Hikvision DS-7600 series NVR looks. Here you can see the Hikvision branding and here you can see the LED lights, and also you will get the USB port on the front. On the bottom you can see the model number. The bottom looks like this. On the back you can see that you will get a on-off switch, and here is a port for LAN and audio in, audio out, HDMI port, VGA port and USB cable port and power supply port. So that's it guys, it is a short unboxing video of Hikvision NVR. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel.